Hey guys, welcome to question MM391 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So we've got this survey of 1,000 teenagers and 348 participants said that they play Xbox on a regular basis. If 12 of these teenagers are selected at random, the probability that at least 8 play Xbox on a regular basis is. Alright, awesome. So initially we just need to recognize that we're dealing with binomial distribution probability, okay? Because the way that we know is we've got a certain number of people selected, so we've got 12 selected. Let's write that down. So 12 selected, and each one of them has a particular chance to play the Xbox on a regular basis, right? And I guess the other thing for binomial distribution is it has a success or a failure. Each person can either play Xbox or not play Xbox. There's nothing in between, there's no other possibilities, it's just those two. So that's how we know it's binomial. Now, what do we have to do with binomial? Well, we use our binomial CDF, right? And sometimes you can't really tell what values you have to put in until you kind of start doing it. So if you're not too sure, if you can recognize that it's binomial at least, just go into your binomial CDF and see if you can figure out which ones are which. So it's going to ask you for lower, upper, n, and p. So n is going to be our 12, right? Because we take 12 and we select those 12. Our p is the probability that any one of these plays the Xbox on a regular basis. So if 348 out of the 1,000 do play Xbox, then we've got a 348 out of 1,000 chance that any given person will play it. Okay, so P is 348 on 1,000, and our lower is going to be 8, and our upper is going to be 12, right? Because we have, as part of this probability, the probability that at least 8 play, we could have 8 playing, 9 playing, 10 playing, 11 playing, or 12 playing, right? Can't have less than this because then it's not inside this sample space, and we can't have more than 12 because there's only 12 that's been selected. We can't have 13 out of the 12 that's been selected. That makes no sense. So therefore, our lower is going to be 8, and our upper is going to be 12. Plugging this into your calculator and clicking enter, you will get 0.0246 as your answer, which is B. So B is our final answer for MM391, guys. If you have any questions about how to identify this binomial or anything of that nature, just hit me up in the comments below, as always. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.